Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Today I would like to share with you how we can set up a successful Feng Shui setting in 2022. You can use it in your home, you can use it in your office, it's up to you. And the method we're going to use is really simple. It's the yearly flying start for 2022, which is the most simple way to do that and most effective. Of course, you can go for more advanced theory and I can help you out. But today, I just want to keep it simple, just want to share with you the most effective way for you to set up your home office, your house, or your real office. So this is something important. And this 9 flying start, the yearly one, this year there's something special because it's go back to the original position. So the lucky one will be more lucky, more blessing energy, and then the bad luck flying star, they have a more like a damaging, like a destructive energy. So we need to pay attention. And another thing we need to pay attention is we are going to use the 24 mountains theory to explain how we can set up the Feng Shui setting. The 24 mountains theory is really simple. Let's say, for example, let's say my house is like a south facing. So the south is like a 45 degree. But in the 24 mountains theory, it go more like a precise style. It separates the south to be south number 1, south number 2, and south number 3. So it separates the south to be 3 different sections. So we have a south 1, south 2, and south 3. For other area, we also do that for the north, for the east, for the west, and for other area. We also separate into like a small portion. Before it's a 45 degree, right now it's a 15 degree. And in order to success to do the flying start, we're going to use we call the 5 element Feng Shui energy to help. So this is something really simple. Okay, this 5 element is for the springtime, and then for the yeast, we use the wood to represent. So this is something important. This is the beginning. And then for the south, we use the fire to represent. And then it represents the summertime. And earth element is in between with different seasons. Let's say from spring to summer, in between is the earth element. And from summer to autumn, in between is earth element. From autumn to winter, in between is earth element. From winter back to spring, in between is earth element. So it go to the middle and it go to the like a different in between different season. And then the west we use the metal to represent. It also represent the autumn time. And then the north we use the water element to represent. It also represent the north. So this is the 5 element theory. So we are going to use it in our Feng Shui setting. Okay, first of all, we're going to mention is north. North this year is number 1 is go to the north. Number 1 is pretty good. Especially right now, we call it in the number 8 in charge period. Number 1 is pretty good. Number 1 is good for the promotion, it's good for the study, and then it's also good for love. So it's pretty good one. But this year, there's something special because the 3 killings is go to the north. The 3 killing is we need to pay extra attention for this one. We can see that the yearly 3 killings is go to the north. Actually occupy 5 different mountains in the northern part, which is from the whole north number 3, number 2, number 1, and it also occupy the northeast 1 and northwest 3 position. So 5 mountain, there's a 3 killings go over there. In this area, we need to pay extra attention. We need to keep it like a tidy, clean, don't messy in the north because we don't want to generate this 3 killings energy. This 3 killing energy is something we need to pay extra attention. Or let's say if you want to do some decoration in your house or do some like a home improvement, make sure that you don't start at the north first because we don't want to generate this 3 killings energy. So in this area, because there's a 3 killings over there, so if you can put like some water bamboo, like 8 pieces each, put in the two different sides of the north, it will help to generate the number 1 flying star energy because it's water element. You can help, and it can also help to suppress the 3 killings energy. Okay, the another area is number 2 going to there. Number 2 this year is going to the southwest. So the southwest is number 2 is going over there, and number 2 is belong to the we call the start of a sickness, start of a health issue. And this star is a bad luck star, is an unlucky one. We need to neutralize it. And this is like an earth element. So in this southwest location, we can put more like a metal energy to neutralize, to soften this bad luck earth energy. It will help. And something we need to pay attention. The southwest number 3, which is the Shui Po, is another bad luck area. So we need to keep the area like a really clean, tidy. Don't like a generate too much damaging energy. It will help. Another fire star is the number 3. Number 3 this year it go all the way to the east. And number 3 is belong to the because the start of arguments. It belong to like argument, like a conflict, even a lawsuit is belong to that number 3. It's belong to the wood energy. It's like a unlucky bad luck one. So we need to neutralize it. So in the east area, we can use some like a fire element. You can put some like a wet decoration, something wet, something fire element, it will help. Or you can put some lighting, 24 hours lighting. One of the options you can do is like a short lamp. You can put over there and turn it on. It will help to neutralize, to burn those unlucky wood energy. And then the next one is number 4. Number 4 is we call the start of study. It's good for study. It's good for the administration work. This is a lucky one. And this year it go all the way to the southeast. So it's pretty good. So in order to generate more, you can, in those southeast location, you can put like a more plants, more wood energy, or you can put like a 4 pieces of water bamboo to help to generate this lucky one. Normally, for Asian people, we don't like number 4 because 4 is have a same meaning, or the sign is quite similar to death. So this is what we like. But in Feng Shui, actually 4 is not a bad luck number, especially in this period. 4 is belong to the study, is belong to for the administration work. It's good for them. If you want to like a study, if you want to have an exam you want to pass, or you want to have like a typing or writing job, number 4 is really, really good. And number 4 flying star is also good for like if you want to do some like creative job, you can use it. This is a pretty good one. Okay, the next flying star is number 5. Number 5 is we call the start of a disaster, which is the biggest issue that we have in this moment. And it belongs to the earth element, and it goes back to the middle. So in the middle of your house or your office, we need a lot of metal energy to neutralize this number 5. Because number 5 have the most destructive, damaging energy, so we need to neutralize it. Okay, the next one is number 6. Number 6 is belong to the, we call, if you want to enhance your reputation, you need to use number 6. Or if you're working in like an army or police officer, fireman officer, those like a discipline forces, number 6 is good for them. Number 6 is like reputation, like military work, like gambling. You also need to use number 6. And it belongs to the metal energy. So you can add some like earth energy. You can use some like a metal energy to help. And this year it go all the way to the northwest. So you can make use of that one. But make sure that you don't use northwest number 3, because northwest number 3 is the free killing go over there. So pay attention for that one. Okay, the next thing is number 7. Number 7 is we call the start of a robbery. Will help you, will make you have a losing money, will make you have like a thief issue. And this year it go all the way to the west. And it belong to the metal energy. So we need to neutralize it. We need to weaken it. We can use like a water energy to weaken this bad metal. So a cup of water, change every single day. Fresh water that will help. Or we can use the fire element to burn this metal. Is up to you. Okay, the next thing is number 8. Number 8 is the best in this, we call the number 8 in charge period. The number 8 in charge period is from 2004 up to 2024. So this is the 20 years. The next one is number 9. Number 9 will start from 2024 up to 2044. But right now, number 8 is in charge. And number 8 is the best for money luck, for all aspects of luck. Is pretty good. But this year there's something special because it's go all the way to the northeast. And you can see that for the northeast 1, there's a 3 killings, and northeast 3, there's a Tai Shui. Tai Shui is something we need to keep it like a really clean, tidy in this area because we don't want to generate or offensive too much to Tai Shui because it will bring you some like a destructive energy. So there's only one area you can use it, which is the northeast number 2. Only that 15 degrees. So if you have a confidence to find out, you can use it to generate that. Normally we will use some like a water energy to generate it. We will use like a water fountain to put in the northeast number 2 and make sure that the water, the running direction is go to your bed or go to the cashier or go to your desk in your office. That will help. But if, let's say, if you have some doubt, if you are not sure, you can find that one. So you can put like some living green plants that will help because it will help to generate number 8 and it will help to suppress the 3 killings energy. Okay, the last one is number 9. Number 9 is really, really good. It belongs to, we call the start of happiness. It belongs to all those good things. If you want to look for love, if you want to go for some money, some successful, some promotion, number 9 is the things that you need to go for it. This is pretty good. And this year, it go all the way to the south. And number 9 is belong to the like a fire energy. So in this area, you can make use of it. Let's say you can move your home office to the south of your house, or in the south corner, you can also put more fire energy, red color, lighting to generate this number 9. And I wish you really good luck in 2022. If you have some question about the feng shui setting, you can email me, you can call me. I'm here to help, and good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.